On the evening of May 25th, a sudden heavy rainstorm struck Luzhou, Sichuan, leading to significant flooding in several urban areas. The severe weather conditions resulted in widespread waterlogging on numerous roads, disrupting normal traffic and causing considerable inconvenience to residents. According to meteorological data, 2 weather stations in Luzhou recorded torrential rain, while 73 stations reported heavy rain. The storm also brought extremely strong winds, with wind speeds of 9 or higher. Specifically, Luzhou Port in Longmetan District experienced wind speeds of 29 meters per second, and Rongshan Middle School in Hejiang County reported wind speeds of 25 meters per second. The heavy rainfall caused notable flooding on the surface of the Yangtze River Bridge in Luzhou. In response, the relevant authorities quickly coordinated with the Traffic Police Department to address the situation. In response to the adverse weather conditions, the Emergency Management Office of the Luzhou Municipal Government promptly issued a blue alert for rainstorm risk. Authorities were instructed to closely monitor the development and changes in rainfall and water levels, enhancing patrols and defenses to mitigate potential flood damage. Additionally, they were advised to formulate and implement emergency response plans, ensuring the readiness of emergency teams and the availability of necessary materials and supplies. The office also emphasized the importance of strong leadership, with officials required to be on duty and maintain 24-hour vigilance to respond promptly to any emergencies.